In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a demo account in TradingView in mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is create a TradingView account, and whenever you do this, the demo account is automatically created. They call it paper trading, and you can access it the following way. You want to go into your chart, any chart you want, and then at the bottom of your chart, just above where it says community, as you can see, there's like two arrows. So one goes up, one goes down. This one, you want to tap on that, and from here, you'll see your brokers, and the first one is going to say paper trading. So you simply want to tap on this one, so brokerage simulator by TradingView, and then in here you want to tap on connect, and there we go, it's going to connect to paper trading, and that's how you make a demo account. Now if you tap on the TradingView logo at the bottom right of your chart, you can see over here, there we go, this is your current account balance, your equity, you can see your orders, order history, balance history, etc. Okay, and of course if you tap on the X button top right, you can also go ahead and basically trade using the same two arrows at the bottom right. Tap on them and this order menu will open, and you can go ahead and start buying and selling with your demo account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.